Do you want to build fully functional AI agents? The kind you can actually sell to real clients? Without learning how to code? Without wrestling with confusing dashboards? And without spending months figuring out where to even start? Because here's the thing most people won't tell you. In 2026, the demand for custom AI agents is exploding. Businesses everywhere are desperate for someone to build them a smart chatbot, a lead qualifier, a support assistant, and they will pay serious money for it. The problem? Almost everyone assumes you need to be a developer to build these. You don't. There's a brand new way to build AI agents just by talking, describing what you want in plain English, and having it built for you in minutes. It's called the Wingman. And by the end of this free training, you'll understand exactly how to use it to build, package, and sell AI agents to anyone. Stick with me, because I'm going to show you the whole system from start to finish. Now, let me be clear about who this is actually for. This is for the aspiring entrepreneur who's watched the AI wave build and thought, I want in, but I have no idea where to start. It's for the freelancer or agency owner who wants to add a high-value service without hiring a dev team. It's for the side hustler who's tired of trading hours for dollars and wants to build something once that pays them again and again. And it's for the complete beginner who's been intimidated by the tech, because I promise you, if you can send a text message, you can do this. If that's you, keep watching, because what I'm about to show you can genuinely change how you make money online. So here's exactly what we're covering today. I'm going to reveal 3 secrets that break down the 3 biggest reasons people never build and sell AI agents. Secret number 1. The new way to build powerful AI agents without writing a single line of code, just by talking to your wingman. Secret number 2. The most profitable ways to package and sell these agents, plus the real use cases that clients are paying for right now. Secret number 3. How to turn your agents into an actual income stream, with branded portals, billing, and access control all handled for you. Let's get into secret number 1. Secret number 1. This is the big limiting belief we need to destroy first. The idea that building AI agents requires coding skills. Here's the truth. Inside Pickaxe, there's an in-workspace AI assistant called the Wingman. Think of it as your personal development partner that lives right inside your account. You open it from a floating button on any page, and you just tell it what you want. Say you want a real estate listing generator. You literally type, "Build me an agent that writes property listings." And the Wingman handles everything: the title, the description, the intro message, the first draft of the role prompt, and it even selects the right AI model for the job. But here's what makes this different from every other AI tool out there. The Wingman is wired in to your workspace. It knows the tools you've already built, the knowledge base files you've uploaded, and the actions you've set up. So it doesn't just guess, it problem solves inside your actual account. And when you want it to go further, build custom interactive pages, add buttons, images, connect to outside systems like a Google search or even HubSpot, you just ask. No terminal, no setup, no coding agent to configure. The whole process is iterative and stupidly simple. You ask for a draft, you review it, you make micro adjustments in plain English, and you refine until it's perfect. That's it. That's the workflow. So the belief that you need to be technical to do this? Gone. Completely gone. Secret number 2. Now that you can build anything, the question becomes, what do you build, and who actually pays for it? This is where most people freeze up. They think, okay, I can make an agent, but is there really a market for this? Let me put that fear to rest. Businesses are paying right now for things you can spin up in minutes. Lead qualifiers that pre-screen prospects, customer support agents trained on their own documents, onboarding concierges, interactive quizzes that route visitors to the right solution, pricing calculators with a chat widget built right in. And here's the powerful part. With the Wingman, you can build a custom-coded page that stitches all of this together. Imagine handing a client a single hub with a quiz, a Calendly embed, their pricing table, and a chat agent, all styled in their brand colors. That's not a static website. That's a real working tool. You can even train agents on any content. Tell the Wingman, pull this URL, summarize it, and add it to the knowledge base, and it builds a smarter, more accurate agent instantly. You give the agent a personality, a tone, a brand voice, and suddenly it feels like a custom product built from scratch, when really you described it in a few sentences. The niches are wide open: real estate, marketing, finance, coaching, e-commerce, local businesses. Every one of them needs this, and you can serve all of them from one workspace. Secret number 3, and this is the one that turns a cool tool into an actual business. It's one thing to build an agent, it's another thing to get paid for it. And this is exactly where Pickaxe separates itself. The Wingman doesn't just handle the front end, the design, and the pages. It handles the back end too, the logic, the actions, and the billing. Watch how simple this is. You can say, create a portal where visitors get 10 free uses, but registered members get 100. Done. You can say, set up a subscription plan at $19 a month and add it to the landing page. Done. You can even say, find every user who hasn't logged in for 90 days and move them to a different group, and it executes it using the Pickaxe command line programmatically behind the scenes. That means access control, usage tracking, tiered pricing, and monetization are all built in. You're not gluing together 5 different tools and praying they work. It's one platform, one assistant, one workflow. So think about what this unlocks. You build an agent by talking. You package it into a branded portal. You set the price. You control who gets access and how much they can use. And the payments just flow in. That's not a side project. That's a real, scalable AI agent business. And you can run the whole thing without touching code. So now let me ask you something. Would you rather do all of this the hard way? Spend tons of money stacking together different tools? Waste months trying to learn code? And figure it all out through trial and error? Or would you rather have one tool that does it all for you? Building your agents, designing your pages, and handling your billing, just from a conversation. If you're like most smart people watching this, you chose option 2. So let me show you exactly how to get started. That tool is Pickaxe. Pickaxe is the all-in-one platform that lets you build AI agents for anything and sell them to anyone, with your Wingman assistant doing the heavy lifting. Here's everything you get inside. The Wingman AI Assistant, your in-workspace partner that builds agents, custom pages, and portals just by talking to it. This alone is worth thousands in developer time. Unlimited agent creation across every major AI model, GPT-class models, and beyond, so you're never locked in. Custom-coded pages and branded portals, interactive hubs with buttons, images, quizzes, calendars, and chat widgets, all in your brand. Built-in monetization, subscription plans, tiered pricing, and one-time offers wired directly into your pages. Access control and usage tracking, free use limits, member tiers, and user management handled automatically. Knowledge-based training. Feed your agents documents and URLs so they answer with real expertise. Custom actions and integrations. Google search, image generation, and connections to systems like HubSpot. White labeling, so everything you build looks like your product, not someone else's. When you add up the value of the development work, the design work, the billing infrastructure, and the AI models, you're easily looking at the equivalent of a $20,000 custom software build. Now, if you had to hire a developer to build even a fraction of this, you'd be investing tens of thousands of dollars, easily north of 20 grand. But to get started with Pickaxe, you're not investing anywhere near that. You don't have to invest $10,000. You don't have to invest $5,000. You don't even have to invest $1,000. Pickaxe has plans that start incredibly low, with paid tiers designed for creators and growing businesses. and you get free Wingman usage every single month just to try it out and start building right away. So here's what I want you to do. Click the link in the description below, head to pickaxe.co, and start building your first AI agent today. Get in now, open the Wingman, and just tell it what you want built. And here's the best part. This is about as low risk as it gets. Because Pickaxe gives you free Wingman usage every month, you can actually get in, look around, and build your first agent before committing to anything big. And with a subscription model, if it's not for you, you can cancel at any time. The way I see it, this is a completely risk-free bet on yourself and on a skill that businesses are paying premium money for right now. Let me answer the questions I know are running through your head right now. Do I need any coding experience? No, zero. If you can describe what you want in plain English, the Wingman builds it for you. Can I really sell these agents to clients? Absolutely. Pickaxe is built for exactly this: branded portals, billing, and white labeling so it looks like your own product. What if I've never built anything online before? Perfect. This was designed for beginners. You ask, it builds, you refine. That's simple. If everyone starts doing this, will it still work? Yes, because businesses need custom agents trained on their content for their niche. The demand is nowhere near saturated. How fast can I get started? Today, right now. You could have your first agent built within minutes of signing up. Let's finish with simple logic. Would this be worth it if you landed just one client with an AI agent you built? A single agent build can be worth hundreds, even thousands. So the answer is obviously yes. Will Pickaxe and the Wingman actually show you how to build, package, and sell? Yes. Do you get free monthly usage to start with basically no risk? Yes. So the math is clear. You've got the tool, you've got the demand, and you've got a low-risk on-ramp. The only thing left is to take action. Click the link below, go to pickaxe.co, open your Wingman, and build your first agent today. And if this training helped you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm putting out the exact playbooks to help you win with AI. I'll see you in the next one.